Thinking of launching a dropshipping empire? Brace yourself not just for the profit, but for the delightful dance between your budget and the surprising reality of startup expenses. It's like trying to plan a budget holiday that ends up costing double with better rewards and fewer sunburns. Platform subscription costs, the bedrock of your store. The first and foremost step in setting up a dropshipping business is choosing an e-commerce platform. Shopify is a top choice for many due to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive feature set, which simplifies the entire process of setting up an online store. The basic Shopify plan comes at a cost of $39 per month, which is ideal for newcomers looking to launch with essential services such as product catalog management, order processing, and integrated payment solutions. While WooCommerce offers a more budget-friendly open-source alternative, it requires separate hosting, often costing between $5 to $15 per month, making Shopify's all-in-one approach more attractive for many entrepreneurs. For those with more complex needs, Shopify's advanced plans start at $105 per month, offering enhanced analytics and reporting capabilities. Domain name and security, establishing credibility. A custom domain name is an investment in credibility. Instead of generic subdomains, a personalized web address like yourstore.com helps build trust with customers. The average annual cost of purchasing a domain through platforms such as Shopify is $14. Additionally, and Secure Sockets Layer Certificate is a critical component, ensuring secure data transfer between your site and your customers. Most premium e-commerce platforms include Secure Sockets Layer Certificate by default, but for those needing separate services, and Secure Sockets Layer Certificate can cost around $50 per year. This security measure not only protects sensitive customer data, but also plays a significant role in search engine ranking and conversion rate improvements. Store customization and premium themes, enhancing user experience. A store's look and feel play an integral role in converting visitors into customers. While basic, free themes can help you start, opting for a premium theme can drastically elevate your store's visual appeal and user experience. In 2024, the cost for these premium themes ranges from $200 to $350, offering advanced customization options, responsive designs, and mobile optimization. For those seeking a truly unique touch, hiring a web developer or designer is an option, with hourly rates typically spanning $50 to $100, depending on their expertise and the extent of customization required. Customization goes beyond aesthetics. It includes functional enhancements like interactive product displays and streamlined navigation. These features can boost customer engagement and decrease bounce rates. Investing in a well-designed store ensures that visitors have an intuitive, enjoyable shopping experience, which ultimately drives higher conversions. Product validation and sample orders, quality assurance. A crucial yet often overlooked expense is product validation. Before committing to selling a product, it is essential to verify its quality and reliability by ordering samples. Sample costs can vary widely based on the product type, averaging around $15 per sample. Testing 5 products could set you back by $75 $150. This investment is necessary for assessing the overall quality, shipping speed, and packaging of products, which in turn helps prevent customer dissatisfaction and returns. Furthermore, entrepreneurs can use these samples to create unique product images, enhancing the authenticity and appeal of their listings. These samples also offer a chance to gauge the supplier's communication and response times, ensuring reliability. This step is especially beneficial for identifying potential issues before launching, allowing sellers to refine their product range and build customer trust. Marketing and advertising, driving traffic and sales. The backbone of any successful dropshipping store is a well-thought-out marketing strategy. In 2024, digital marketing through platforms such as Facebook and Instagram remains vital for driving traffic. Beginners typically start with modest campaigns costing $100 to $500 per month, depending on targeting and reach. More aggressive marketing strategies can push monthly advertising expenses to $1,000 to $3,000, ensuring broader exposure and significant traffic boosts. Leveraging Google Ads or investing in SEO services is also common, with typical costs starting from $150 per month for entry-level services. These campaigns are pivotal in reaching a larger audience, driving potential sales, and establishing a brand presence. Additionally, collaborating with influencers for sponsored content can be an effective way to tap into niche markets, though this may add $50 to $500 or more per campaign. Consistently tracking and analyzing these campaigns using analytics tools ensures that marketing budgets are optimized for the best return on investment. Operational tools and integrative apps, enhancing store functionality. Managing operations efficiently requires a suite of operational tools and apps. To maximize functionality, dropshippers often use apps for inventory management, order tracking, and customer interaction. For instance, apps that support cross-selling and upselling, such as Mulk Cart Upsell, cost about $30 per month. These tools can significantly increase the average order value and improve the shopping experience. Additional apps that prevent cart abandonment, like exit intent pop-ups, can range between $10 and $50 per month. While these might seem optional, they can dramatically impact sales and customer retention. Advanced automation tools can further streamline processes by automating tasks such as order routing and stock level updates, reducing manual workload and potential errors. Integrating these solutions ensures a more seamless customer experience and helps maintain operational efficiency as your business scales. Shipping and fulfillment, managing logistics. Though the dropshipping model outsources inventory management and shipping to third-party suppliers, understanding shipping costs and their implications is crucial. While many suppliers provide standard free shipping, expedited options or specific shipping terms can incur additional costs. Entrepreneurs should plan for these potential expenses, especially when sourcing from international suppliers or using platforms like Alibaba, where expedited shipping might be needed to ensure faster delivery. Shipping upgrades, when chosen, can add $5–20 per order, impacting your overall profit margin. Additionally, unexpected fees like customs charges, import taxes, or handling fees for international shipments can further affect profitability. Clear communication with suppliers about potential surcharges and estimated delivery times helps to avoid these hidden expenses. Factoring in these logistics ensures smoother operations and maintains customer satisfaction by providing reliable delivery estimates. Branding and content creation, building a distinct image. A strong brand is more than just a logo, it's the image that your business presents to the world. Investing in professional logo design can cost anywhere between $50 and $200, but it establishes your store's identity and helps it stand out in a crowded market. Furthermore, high-quality content such as detailed product descriptions, blog posts, and promotional videos are vital. Outsourcing content creation might cost $50–150, but it adds professionalism and boosts SEO, making your store more discoverable. Comprehensive branding also involves a consistent voice across social media and marketing channels, which enhances brand recall. Regularly updating content and visuals can require additional budget allocations, yet these updates are essential to keep your store relevant and appealing in a fast-changing digital landscape. Customer service infrastructure, maintaining high standards. Reliable customer service is key to maintaining a positive reputation and handling post-purchase queries effectively. Allocating $20 to $100 per month for automated chat tools or customer service apps ensures prompt responses to customer questions, fostering trust and potentially increasing repeat purchases. High-quality customer service can also minimize refund rates and prevent negative reviews, which are crucial for long-term success in e-commerce. Beyond handling questions, proactive customer service like follow-ups and feedback requests can make customers feel valued. This added touch not only boosts customer retention, but can turn satisfied shoppers into loyal brand advocates. Miscellaneous and hidden costs, accounting for surprises. Running a dropshipping business can come with unexpected or small, recurring expenses that add up over time. Payment gateway fees are a common example, usually amounting to 2% to 4% per transaction or flat rates like $10 to $30 per month. Other hidden costs may include website plugins, software updates, and handling returns or product exchanges. Even seemingly minor expenses, such as enhanced packaging or minor website tweaks, can impact your budget. Periodic expenses like renewing licenses for premium apps or upgrading software for better security can also contribute to rising operational costs. Accounting for these helps ensure your profit margins remain intact and minimizes the risk of sudden financial shortfalls that could hinder growth. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you're ready to master your dropshipping game, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let's turn your entrepreneurial dreams into profit, minus the hidden budget surprises.